And we are solving November 18 حل assignment. November 18 considered as one of the past paper, old one. So some questions have been removed from our syllabus. Like for example, the evaluation questions have been removed. Yes. So it's not with us anymore. So today you will ignore evidence one. Okay. We first create a folder called shed and we will include these files in the folder. I already عملت كده. أنا عملت كده فعلا خلاص الحمد لله عملت الفولدر ده وحطيت فيه the three files that have been requested in the question paper. Now go and open site and browse to your question to your site. So this is what I did. Okay. Now in this question paper is asking you that the style sheet should have internal and external grid line. لما الاقي كلمة internal external grid line, this means which style we are going to work with. We're going to work with the style called table comma td. Table comma td. Why table comma td? Because it's asking you to work using both internal and external grid line. Now these should be 4 pixels. Okay. The external grid line, so this is the table style. Remember, anything external is for the table, anything internal for the TD. The order of the color is Ragab or GB. So we put the colors, and all of the hexadecimal should has hashtag before at the beginning. Then the color is here is pure red, as you can see. Then the next color for the TD also you need to put the hashtag for all of the hexadecimal colors, and it will be FF 57, green first, then blue 33. So this is one. All of the text in the table. So again, we are talking about table comma TD because it's the text inside the table comma TD. It should be centered aligned horizontally and vertically. For this, the horizontal one, we have center left and right, so it will be center. For the vertical one, it will be middle. We don't have center on the vertical line. Okay, this will be on the block. So these should be on the CSS. If we open the current CSS, which is N18, the one here, we will find several mistakes. In this question paper, asking you evaluate means tell us where the mistakes, but it's out of our syllabus, so we are not going to solve evidence one. It's out of the syllabus, okay? But we will move to step number 2. Edit the style sheet. So I'm going to edit this style sheet to work correctly and match the requirement up there. So let's see first one. Is it okay that the color here has no hashtag? It's not okay, so I'm going to put hashtag. Is the border width equal 4? Yes, according to the question paper, it should be equal 4, and this line is written correctly. It should be text aligned on the center, yes, but is it okay to be center for the vertical? No, it's not. So I'm going to open the manage style, go to manage this one, right click, modify. Then I'm going to go to block. This should be center, yes, but this one should be middle. So I fixed this issue now. I edited now, okay? And now it's written in efficient way. Now, for the table color, right click, modify. This is not a correct color. The color should not be written in different order. It should be written in the correct coloring order, RGB. And the color here is pure red, as you can tell. So I can select red immediately. For the TD, also the color is incorrect. So I'm going to modify it. Again, go to borders, border color, more, select anything, any color, and then edit the values here. Should be FF 75 33. It's also صح كده ولا ايه؟ No, not 75, 57. And this is the red color. We need also to do these two styles. Add the table to make it on the center. This will be on the table style, if you remember. So I'm going to modify the table style, and I'm going to go to box, change it into auto. This is how we make the table on the center, if you remember. Auto. Add a new style, call H1. And this one should be white color. If that's it. That's it. Add your name as a comment. Center number, candidate number. Then save it with the word table followed by your candidate number. So file save as. Then I will write the word table followed by my candidate number. And I'm done. Then you can take this evidence from the beginning up there. And this is my evidence. I'm going to open evidence document from the support files. So this one is removed. This is evidence 2. The third evidence is also have been removed from our syllabus. It's now moved on paper 1. This moved on paper 1. But I want you to answer it. So I want to make sure that you really remember this part. Now, a cascading style sheet is part of which layer? Cascading style sheet is from the presentation layer. The hyperlink on the structure or content layer. The text images also in text or content layer. The on click or mouse over and so on. These are all actions. So the action in the behavior layer. Let's move to the next step. Now we are ready to work with the HTML. We are going to open a new HTML, create a new HTML. So I'm going to close this one. Go to File, New HTML, and I'm going to name it Sheds. Okay, so you have to save immediately. How many rows? How many columns? 2 columns, 6 rows. Table, insert table. 6, 2. And the width of the row, the first merged row, or the more of the rows, is 810. So this would be the width of the table in pixels. How did I know that these are in pixels? It's written down here. All the dimension in pixels. Then, did I do it in pixel? Let me take sure that I did 810. Okay. Now I need to merge the first row. So right click, modify merge. It's letter A. Then these rows are merged. Right click, modify merged. These are B. This one is merged. G, C, D, E, F. Now, right click cell properties. This one should be just add the dimensions. Yes, I'm done with this part. Now, in step number 5, asking you to edit image. If they're asking me to edit image, I will open Photoshop. Then go File, Open. The image here is called S logo. There is white corner. Do you see? There are a lot of four or three, three white corners here. These should be removed. How I will remove? I will crop. I will crop and crop away from these corners. Just that's it. Away from the corner. بس يعني خدوها بعيد عن الكورنر، يعني انا هقص كده ابعد عن الكورنرز، بس هو مش عايز الكورنرز. Okay, you can be away from the corners. Just be gentle. Then enter. That's it. These are my picture. This is my picture. Then I'm going to save it with the new file format, PNG. So I'm changing only the name, the type. So file save as. I'm going to change here into PNG and save in the same folder, in the same place. So once you go back to the web expression, you can find the new picture here. What you can do, you can click on this file and then press from the keyboard F5, or you can go site, open site again if you want the picture to be here, if you can see it. Okay, at the end we need the PNG, or close the site and open again. You can do a lot of things just to display the image again. يعني ممكن تقفلوه وتفتحوه تاني عشان لو الصورة ما جاتلكوش، او تقف هنا يا حبيبي وتدوس F5 هتيجي، او تعمل سايت اوبن سايت تاني، او تعمل فايل امبورت، اي حاجة في ممكن كذا سكة تجيب بيها الصورة هنا تاني عشان احنا محتاجينها كده كده. Okay, then place it in cell A. So I'm going to remove A. Then all what you have to do is to drag and drop. Take a look if they're asking you to add alternative text or not. If they are not, خلاص, you don't need to put any alternative text. You just click OK. Boom, 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 boom. In cell B, add the construct.png image. So I'm going to drag and drop. Didn't ask for alternative name. Okay. Resize to be 600 pixel square. So what should I do? Double click on the image or right click picture properties. Go to appearance. We need to change it into 600 square, means 600 width, 600 height. Next step, I'm going to add the text specialist in cell C. Aluminium. Just copy an exam. You're not going to copy paste, huh? But to make long short in while practicing, you can copy them. On the exam, you're going to write. On the exam, you're going to write. Okay. Now in cell G, created by, then add your name. Center number, candidate. Habibi, Habibi. Okay. Then set all of the text to H1. So all of these should be H1. H1. بس كده خلاص. Attach the style sheet you saved. So the table one. Display on a browser and take evidence. Then copy the HTML and take evidence. So I'm going to display on a browser. You remember how we can take a screenshot? Just extract it. Okay. Start zooming out a little bit so you can bring it all at once in one page. Okay. I can move a little bit like that just to show that it's in the center. And this is how your screenshot look like. Don't forget to get the end of your URL. Then take a screenshot from the top showing the address bar. الحلاوة دي. So this is evidence 4. And then evidence 5. I'm going to go to the HTML. Go to the code. Select all. Copy. Paste. And we're done with the web expression. That's it. 33 marks. Follow up for the next spreadsheet task. Thank you very much.